everybody, we are Magic Stars. Today's Easter and we're going to open these Blume Petal packs. And mine is like pig and Serena's dark pig.
Well done.
Yeah.
And what are you dressed like?
I'm a unicorn girl.
You're a unicorn girl and you...
And I'm a woman.
Wow, Wonder Woman and unicorn girl. You have loads of magic here. Wow,
up.
beautiful.
And
nice.
I have wings that fly up. And I can fly.
You have magical powers to fly. You both
Look,
have magical powers.
and Wonder Woman can do this.
Wow,
Like
you can
that.
jump.
Wonder Woman can do that. Right, Wonder Woman? And Wonder Woman, your dress is very nice. Thank you.
Has little
girl.
stars, like magic stars.
And yours is too.
And yours has
Little-
stars. Look here. Magic stars.
And here. And magic stars are the pink one, right?
Yes, very nice.
1, 2, 3. And I have and I got this on me because dresses have that.
Wow, look at your flowers. They are so beautiful. Wow.
And
look
where's
here.
my spraying thing?
Oh, where's your water can? Mum is going to give it to you in a second. Wow, Elena, look at your tulip.
Oh,
It's so beautiful.
I
And
have
you
a caterpillar.
They have a little walnut. Just let's see.
Me too.
So what we
I
need
have a
now,
caterpillar.
We need a water can. And we need to water our
I'm
flowers.
watering one.
So can you-
Hey, flower.
So you need to water here. You see where those holes are, Serena? So you need...
So you have to put them in each one.
Yeah, you need to...
Can you put some more? Because
Yeah.
by mistake I put some in here.
That's fine. Oh, we need some more water in here. Come on, more water. Look, your flower, Serena, is starting to open slowly.
I'm gonna fill each one. Oh my ankles. Oh, I finished mine.
Okay.
Mom.
Wow, look at that. It just opened, Serena. Have you seen that?
I did.
What do you have there? Oh, you're going to open too, Elena.
No.
Wow, what do you have
Oh
there?
wait for mine. Serena.
You don't have to.
It's quite cute, Lemma. Ah. Oh, need some more water.
Your flower is open already, Serena.
I need the water in there.
Quite a lot. Don't cheat, Elena. So, Mum, what we can do?
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
how about that cup?
Shall we put a little more? Just no. I'll put it with the cup.
How about
Bless.
mine? Okay. How about mine?
Wow.
Wow.
Shall I put some more? Don't.
Yeah. How about mine? Oh, that's enough. That's all of it, I think. I want
like it?
to have this. I want to have this, Mom. I want to have this.
Wow. Is it going to open more?
I don't think so.
I think we had to put loads of water when we didn't know.
Oh, look, mine is sparkly pink.
Yeah, yours is.
I
sparkly.
want this. I want this.
What do you want? What's that? Oh, that's part of the flower. That you cannot take that off. Oh, be careful.
Look, some
It's a. Let me see. What do you have?
Wonder Woman. You can't put it on you yet. And when you take that one off,
And yours?
you can.
Oh wow! Look at yours. Yours is so beautiful too.
Look,
It's
mine's redder.
turquoise. And yours is pink. It's so beautiful. It's very pretty. So let's see. Yes, let's see what else we have to do. So
This is
I
so
think
cute.
after you take it, what about if we pull the flower out?
Yeah. Okay.
Do you think we can pull the flower out? What about if we pull it from here? Pull that. Pull the plastic bit. Yes. Wow. What,
Oh, I found something, Elena.
what do you have there?
Yeah.
Slowly, Elena.
A mummy dinosaur.
A dinosaur.
Little I wear my dress too.
That's fine.
Because Serena gives you
Shall-
Don't worry.
So Serena seems to be more No, don't from there.
It looks like
you
you have
hold
a
there.
dragon.
Hold there. So Serena,
Oh, mine is already open.
what do you have there? Your beautiful flower.
Look,
What do you have?
a mommy dinosaur.
Wow.
Look at this. Look at this cute dinosaur. I think it's a dragon.
It's a baby dragon. It's true. It's a baby dragon. Can I see it? It's so cute. Look at this.
Let me help you, Elena.
Yeah. Where's your unicorn? Ah, there.
I got a unicorn.
You got a unicorn. And your stickers, Serena. Where are your stickers? Oh, your stickers are here. Look. Cute.
Oh,
You would like a unicorn. Look, you have a sticker cat. Do you like it? Look how cute.
I have a sticker
too.
dog and a sticker elephant.
Yeah,
with
let's-
zips.
What
I
says?
have a rainbow. With zips. I have a
Woof,
rainbow.
vibes. Woof, vibes. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's open it. Yeah! It opened very quickly. Yeah. Did you like it? So now you can close it again, and then you can open it again and again.
That's how I want to. I
Okay.
can stick it wherever I want.
Yes. Well, look, you can collect all these little pads and see which one do you think you got. Stick it here.
I
This
got
is
that
pretty.
one. I got that one. For
This
sure.
one. And
I got that one.
Serena got this one. Look how cute. Oh wow. So yours, Serena, yours has 2 stars. See? It's a 2-star one. And Elena's is just 1 star. So
But I want that 3 stars. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 stars
yeah,
for
if
that
you get that one, that's super
rare.
precious. Oh, right, yes. Yeah.
Is this the right way?
Yes, that looks very nice. There you go. Oh,
No.
let's see. Let's see your sticker. Oh wow, it's so
No,
beautiful.
this. It's all this.
Wow, what's that? It's a little. Come, shall mommy hold for you the pot, and you can stick them
Don't worry.
wherever you want. Okay, that's very good.
And then it will be beautiful. I'll stick this. It's not very nice this.
That's not nice. Let's see, what did you stick? And then, oh, that's very nice. A rainbow
Stick it
and a
right.
little dog.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a like and thumbs up.
Well done. Bye bye.
Bye.